Virus crisis is changing life as we know it dramatically tonight after the government ordered the immediate closure of almost all the places to go to for leisure, with bars, pubs, restaurants and gyms
this
among
opportunity
them.
to
The
provide
rapid
an
close
update
came
on
with
the
a
final.
From this evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home.
Well, Davey, fantastic weather we've got. How good's this? Beautiful scenery. Me, you're off up to the Gallows Tavern. World's gone crazy. Who cares? Welcome, guys, to my 40th birthday. Davey's taking us out up the Nile for a few of them. I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. Social distancing. Don't worry. Sign a deal with the devil himself. And also, where we're going is in another time and another plane. So none of this exists anymore where we're going, so that's as long as the government don't get involved. So shh, don't tell anyone. Have a little secret. Do you want to just sit back, enjoy the ride, beautiful scenery, and Davey's going to sing us a song. What was that song you were singing earlier, Davey? Do you want to sing it to him?
Or row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If you see coronavirus, don't forget to...
David, look at faces, look at faces. Now you know how he feels, that's his missus. Hey, I don't know. We got him, David. Well, we finally made it to the Gallows Tavern. What do you reckon? Cosy little place or what, eh? David decided to be all sophisticated by drinking from a wine glass. I says, go on then, here's my birthday, not your birthday, it's my birthday. So, yeah, hey, I don't know. It's your mate over there, I feel sorry for. Have you seen him? He's been trying to get served for ages. Needs to grow up a bit. Get it, grow up. Sorry. Poor jokes. Do away with the dad jokes. Hey, I don't know. Having fun here, Davey, having fun. The only pub that's open. Hey. Oh, what's this you got us, Davey? What's this? Oh, you didn't have to, you know, you didn't have to. Look at that, guys, look at that. Hey, you know they're going to take the mick out of you in here. What kind of pirate are you getting something like that? Here's like the roughest pub in town now. It's full of scallies and everything. Shh, don't say that too loud, we'll end up in a bit of fisticuffs, you know what I mean? Fisticuffs. Oh no, they're going to sing me the birthday song. Everyone. Oh, how embarrassing. Who likes the birthday song? It's got to be the most embarrassing thing in the world. Here it comes.
Happy birthday to you.
Gotta put a...
Happy birthday to you.
Time to make a wish. Well guys, you can guess what I wish for. It is 2020. Good health to everyone. And may I see you all on the other side of this. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Cheers, Davey. Cheers, Davey.
Happy birthday, Sean.